Okay, nakita natin, Mami, and let's start to me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, sir, congratulations sa ating Yadra, and...
Malunong. 1, 2, 3.
Yun! Yun! Baka naman natin si Yadra. Ayan, syempre, tingnan po natin ang birthday wish si Mami para sa kanyang daughter na nagsa-celebrate ng first birthday na ngayon. Nani, birthday wish para kay Kiandra on her first birthday.
Good health. Sana lumaking mabait. And, talino.
Okay, nakuha naman natin siya. Ayan. Next, nag-order tayo ng ilan sa mga natanggap na gift ni Ate Tiandra on her first birthday. Nakikita tayo lang isa doon, tapos i-open natin siya. Feedback daw, alam mo na. So, tayo yung gift natin, so open natin. Ayan. Okay, that's from, tingnan natin kung kanino siya galing, man. Kasi parang sila ba? Ayan. That's from... Okay, this is from Nina J, or Nina Joy, and JP. Ayan, open natin. Marami ka yung gift ni JP tsaka ni Nina Joy for Ate Tiandra. Wow. Wow, next. Thank you, Nina Joy and JP, for your gift. Ayan. Okay, let's see. Okay. This one is from Anika. Open natin ang second one. Ayan. Okay, thank you, Anika, for your gift. Okay. Ngayon, mga please, calling line na tayo. Mag-order tayo, magbibigay na si Ate Tiandra ng kanyang mga giveaway.